Good evening, Matt Harris, Sure Thing Home Inspections with your video summary for 885 Gulfview Drive in Dacula, Georgia, as you see pictured here. In two locations around the house, at the left side entry door and also the rear basement door, down at the bottom of the exterior side of the door jamb, there is minor wood rot present, as seen in this picture here as well. Also, the support posts for the rear deck, they are on cement footers as required, but there is some wood rot starting on the base of that post. We recommend to provide clearance around that to keep the moisture off of that. This is the left side window of the front entry door. As you can see in the picture, there is some fogging in between the layers of glass, which is an indication of a broken seal in this window, so we'd recommend to have this window repaired or replaced for energy efficiency reasons. These pictures of the door track framing in the garage area. You can see the separation between the framing and the wall. Recommend to install additional bolts through there to pull that board flush with the wall. The two-car garage in the home there is part of the framing for the garage door, where you can see it's come loose, and which has also caused the backing of the insulated door to also come loose. This is the right side garage window. Again, fogging in between the layers of glass for this window. As mentioned, this is an indication of a broken thermal seal that should be replaced. This is the sediment trap for the second floor furnace gas line. This pipe is plumbed incorrectly. The gas should flow vertically down into the sediment trap and across into the heat exchangers. And in this situation here, we have it going horizontal across the sediment trap. So we'd recommend to have a HVAC technician plumb this line properly. The toilet in the master bathroom is loose. We'd recommend to pull that up, replace the wax seal, and secure the toilet to the floor properly. At the time of inspection, the spa tub for the master bath was not functioning at all. Ran the tub, filled it up, and turned the jets on, and nothing happened. Also checked the GFCI switch to make sure it was engaged properly, which it was. We'd recommend to have this evaluated by a licensed plumber. This is the second floor front bathroom toilet, again loose at the bottom of the floor. So we'd recommend to pull that up, replace the wax ring, and secure the toilet to the floor properly. The hot water heater in the basement does not have a thermal expansion tank, which is required for safety reasons to equalize the pressure in the tank. So we recommend to have a thermal expansion tank plumbed by a licensed plumber. In the basement, there are two electrical panels. Each of them have mismatched brand breakers. These panels are proprietary to their own brands, and all of the breakers should be Cutler Hammer brand breakers, as that is the brand of the panel. This is the neutral bus bar in the same panel. Here you can see we have our neutrals and our grounds double tapped in the bus bars. Compliance says that these should be separated out, so I recommend to have this evaluated by a licensed electrician and repaired properly. Noted here is the left side panel. We have mismatched brand breakers here again. At the top right, we have a Square D manufactured panel box, and to the right we have a Siemens brand breaker. So we recommend to have an electrician also repair that. Finally, the windows throughout the house are painted shut. I believe in every room, bedroom, and living space, the windows are painted shut. Being that these are a point of egress for an emergency situation, recommend to have all of these windows functioning properly in case of emergency situations. And again, that's Matt Harris with your video summary of 885 Gulfview Drive in Dacula, Georgia. Have a great day.